Hi, I'm Shruti. Have we met? I'm here to tell you about BISCO. Can we zoom in on the logo? Okay. BISCO is a restorative dental company where adhesion is our passion. We make award-winning dental products that are developed with years of research and formulated with high-performing chemistry. But that's not all. We know that having reliable, quality products is just part of the equation when it comes to performing great dentistry. That's why our experts are on standby to support you and your clinical needs. We're all human. Sometimes we have questions, need a little help, or are just looking for someone to talk to. And that's where we come in. So check us out at BISCO.com or give us a call at 1-800-247-3368 and let's bond. We want to help you do your best dentistry.